Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add a table to your slides and presentations on Google Slides really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So head over to Google Slides, and as you can see, I chose this presentation here for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on Insert here at the top. First select, of course, the slide you would like to add the table to. And here inside that menu, Insert, hover your mouse over a table, and here to the right you will see a menu like that. Well, it's almost invisible because the background is white, but you can set, for example, a table with 3x2 columns and rows, or 4x4, and so on and so forth. So let me go with a table of dimensions like 6x4 columns and rows, just like that. And after that, the table will be added to your presentation, to your slide, so that you may customize its size, for example, adjust its size, its position, fill it with data or with items, and that's it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.